Product certification and validation. In the textile and clothing industry, the demand for certified and sustainable products is rising. That is why it's important to analyze the main certifications available. BCI stands for Better Cotton Initiative, a non-profit organization that exists to make global cotton production better, for the people who produce it, for the environment in which it grows, and for the future of the industry. The Global Recycle Standard, GRS, certifies products obtained from recycled materials and production activities. The GRS objectives are: reduce the harmful impact of production on people and the environment, provide assurance that products are processed in a more sustainable way, achieve higher percentages of recycled content in products. Woolmark certification promotes the quality of wool, guarantees that it has been rigorously tested, and advocates wool as a natural, renewable and biodegradable product. Products with this certification can also be traced, promoting sustainability. This certification can be for clothing, care products and wool care appliances. OCS stands for Organic Content Standard. The OCS's certification provides the industry with a tool to verify the organically grown content of the products they buy. Furthermore, provides organic fiber producers with broad access to the global organic market. The OCS certifies the commitment of the whole production chain in the respect of the standard. Responsible Wool Standard, RWS, is a voluntary global standard that addresses the welfare of sheep and the land they graze. RWS offers verification of the practices taking place at farm level, providing brands with a clear solution that will allow them to demonstrate their wool supply with confidence. The RWS provides for all sites to be certified, starting with the wool producers, down to the seller in the final business-to-business transaction. GOTS stands for Global Organic Textile Standard. It's a certification internationally recognized as standard for organic textiles. GOTS assess the organic status of fabrics with at least 70% of certified organic natural fibers, from the harvesting of raw materials to labeling, providing reliable guarantees for the consumer. The criteria are set for fiber, chemicals, the various stages of the textile production process, packaging and shipping, used accessories, environmental management, quality assurance and social responsibility. ECOTEX Standard 100 is an international certification system for raw materials, intermediate and final products in the processing stages. It is a guarantee of products free from substances harmful to human health. Therefore, it is used in the textile and clothing industry for both products and accessories. ECOTEX categorizes products in classes according to their utilization. Class 1, textiles and toys made from textile materials, for babies and children up to 3 years of age. Class 2, textiles with a large part of its surface coming into contact with the skin. Class 3, textiles that do not come into contact with the skin, or with only a small part of its surface making contact. Class 4, all articles, including initial products and accessories, used for furnishing purposes.